Welcome to the 2000 E39 BMW M5 finished in Avis Blue. I'm going to take you guys on a short little POV drive here. 86,920 miles on the clock. Like I had mentioned, beautiful Avis Blue metallic, single model year only paint color for the E39 M5. We're going to put the cruise control on here. All of our functions that we would want to work. Climate controls. All your climate controls work great. Great heat, great AC. Heated seats both work, and they get quite hot. Cruise control works great. As said in the listing, the only thing that really doesn't work in here is this volume knob. But I've been using the steering wheel controls, and they work quite well. Unfortunately, our roads here are not terribly exciting. All fairly straight. Not a lot of fun, but this thing does just fine. Like I said, the interior of this thing is in beautiful shape. Everything works. All your windows work, your sunroof works. No cracks in the dash. One of the very few signs of that nature in old Goddard, Kansas. So we will take advantage of it. What an excellent car to drive. It's a beautiful color, beautiful interior condition. All the materials are solid. As you can see from driving, these roads aren't great. There's no squeaks, no creaks, nothing out of the ordinary. A very well built and engineered vehicle. This one has a lot of great recent maintenance history. A lot of things to love about these cars in general, but specifically this car is a real peach, especially for someone who wants to drive it. I'll probably post one more of these or so before the end of the auction, but just wanted to show everybody that even though its past might not be as beautiful as the car is still just a wonderful, wonderful car.